Hey yo, PC Monk here with another Bitcoin video. This video we're trying to be a little bit uh, fast. So this is a disclaimer, no financial advice, guys. Yesterday we didn't do what we wanted. Now I'm starting with USDT dominancy. There's a reason for it because we just gained this 4-hour level. All right, so on the BTC now, if I go back, you can see we lost the 4-hour level, right? The level that I said if we hold it, we're gonna do something. Now what happened yesterday is we went above it and then we came back down, we lost it, we tested it, then we performed a liquidity grab, right? Now what are we doing is we grabbing these people liquidity. So we basically filled this volume imbalance right here. So this volume imbalance is filled. The next one is going to be the wick. We usually retest the wick. Now if it wants to do it, it's basically going to bleed out around here and USD is going to continue up. If not, we have to again gain this 109, 082. Until we gain this, I don't see any upside move coming. Now, today is Wednesday, all right? Wednesday doesn't have any news. Tomorrow we have a lot of news. So this is what we could do. We could just go down today, clear all the late longers, all right? Or are the early longers, all of these people, but we have to hold it here. If we lose this 107, and then I think it's gonna come to 105 somewhere around here, right? I even um, draw it for myself. So yeah, if we lose this, it's gonna come down. Now, USDT dominancy, at the other hand, yet to hit this 4-hour line, so it could do it, or it could just dump it from where it is right now, right where it is. But if you take a look at the 1 hour on USDT dominancy, you can see like we're trying to hold above, right? And there's this swing here. We're trying to break it. That's a 1 hour, by the way. And the 4 hour, which comes from here, we dumped it, we held it, we pushed it. Again, we dumped it. This is right in between, and right now we're trying to hold it. So every time we hold it, we push it up. We'll see if this happens, or we get rejected, we push it down. So if this holds, we're gonna push it up. And we could push it up even for a new high, basically right around the daily. That's a lot, right? That's gonna put a BTC around 105. But that could happen. Worst case scenario is going to be that. Best case scenario is we're going to get denied here. We're going to continue down. So if USDT goes down, obviously everything going to go up, the majors. But if that doesn't happen and we slowly come back up, all right, this could all go all the way to the wick or even above it, which I think to the wick would be enough for a liquidity grab. But if it wants, it could go higher and higher. Now, why would I say this? Why would I say that we could go down, continue to go down, either to this level, 107, 739, this range basically? The reason is there's a lot of bids there. All right, now let's talk about the bids and asks. So the reason why I'm talking about it, it's because there's a lot of basically bids there. So now you can see it right here. There's a lot of bids around the wick, right? Yes, we go all the way down. There's always bids there, right? But still, first of all, more asks are coming. They're building their asks. Now, is it going to be today? Is it going to be tomorrow? Because tomorrow on Thursday and Wednesday, we have news, okay? Now, there's really nothing to talk about on the large orders. I've talked about it yesterday in, I think, great depth, that why we're having this, why we're not, going down, although there is liquidity to the downside. You have to ask yourself, where is the liquidations? All right, am I gonna, so if the market maker is willing to fill these, which these are all new, by the way, new spot orders, okay? So if the market maker is here and there's enough liquidation to fill these, then we're gonna come down and fill these, okay? Or basically, if there's enough liquidity. If there's not much liquidity, we have to go to the other side and fill the other side, right? That's it. That's how it goes every time. This is 1 hour, and to the upside is just getting more and more and more. Some people are basically still loading up here for the upside. Now, even if I show you guys the perpetuals, all right, you can see there is requests all over this, all right, but the shorts are way bigger. Shorts are way bigger, right? We've talked about that 34 million short at around here. Um, which I can't even find it anymore. But it's there, like around 114, 113, and like big shorts. Okay, guys, big shorts. Um, the only reason we would go down is because of the thing that I said. Now, let's talk about the liquidation. Then I go back to the large orders. So, not much time into it. So you could just see we grab the liquidity towards downside. These yellows are cleared out. There's now brighter yellows towards upside. And this one, 111, 500, what was this? 638. This was around I think 40 million yesterday. Now it's bigger. So it's bigger. Now this is again model number one on a 3 days. So you could see on a 3 days, not much towards downside, a lot towards upside. Now how we're gonna pick it up is usually starts from this hour, okay? Like the Hong Kong dumps it and then we pick it up. Now even on the model number two, you could see like insane amount of bids, insane amount of bids. It's just, are we gonna go there or what, right? You gotta ask yourself that. And this is the liquidation on the model number three. As you can see, the threshold is at the highest is 48 hours. Again, nothing towards downside, more towards upside. So today, all right, so yesterday, first of all, yesterday, this is pathetic. These are pathetic. And then this, hold on. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Are you fucking kidding me? This is what Jerome doesn't want. If people are, spending, yeah, the economy is not slowing down; it's growing, and that could be bad. So today we don't have anything. Wednesday is off of any news, so we could actually. There's a lot of ways to see it, but um, so today, if there's no fucking announcement from Trump, there's no announcement that from anywhere that's gonna affect the market. Well, it might just be good market. How do you say organic market? But on Thursday, although Euro, French and German bank are on holiday, right? And CHF, which is Sweden, is that Sweden bank? Swiss bank, Swiss bank. But USD is not. So I think whatever we're doing right now, is it a pump, is it a dump? We don't know. It's just preparing it for Thursday, all right, and Friday. Because Friday has core PCE, which is very important, and revised UOM consumer sentiment. All right, but the PC is the most important thing on Friday. So I think what we're doing is basically that. Right now, what I wanted to show you guys was this. So yeah, I'm not gonna go into why this happened, but yesterday Nasdaq was basically outperforming everything. You could see there. It was outperforming everything. Same with SPX. SPX finished up at 2% to the upside. So very basically nice move towards upside, right? Very nice move towards upside. And that is it. That's all I got, guys. That's all I got. I think we went through it very fast this time. Only 7 minutes. There's nothing much to talk about. We're in the mid-air right now. Either BTC picks this up and goes for those high, or it doesn't do it. And it just, comes back down. But in my opinion, yesterday we didn't do anything. We just consolidated here. We filled a little bit more of our bags, spot bags, and now we want to go up. That's what I think. Let me just pause to see if I said everything. One thing that I forgot to mention is this. The liquidity map. You could see like, let me zoom out. Around 113, there's like 819 million over Binance only. So around 113, overall, we're gonna get 3 billion. I think that's enough for market to just switch up, right? And with that being said, guys, I didn't show you guys. Sorry. So here, right here. So over Binance, we got 113 million dollars, 819 million to grab cumulatively, and over three exchanges, we're talking about 3 billion. I think that's enough for BTC to start going up. I don't think we have as much towards downside. We don't. So like, yeah, you have to come to 105, 104, where we talked about that if it gets there, it's done. And even if you gets there, the cumulative long liquidation leverage is 2.58. It's even less. Yeah, we're gonna go up. Whether it's today or maybe today we just keep consolidating, come back down, and then pick it back up. I'm pretty sure at some point in this week we're gonna do the upside move higher around there. Around there. Now, is it going to be today and then we hold it at the top and then, we do other shenanigans? There's like a lot of ways that you could come up, a lot of scenarios. But this is what we say. When we hold the 4 hour, we're going to look for this 1 hour to be grabbed. Once this 1 hour is grabbed, which is actually a 4 hour level, so two 4 hour levels. All right, let me just change this. Once this 4 hour level is grabbed and we are holding above it, then you're talking about that 113. This 1 hour, 109,995.9 has to be gained and held before we go higher. Now, If we get rejected right here, right, then that is it. You're gonna go down. So you're either gonna come back down here to this wick, just retest it, and then do a V-shaped recovery, or you're gonna continue down. Which I'm not gonna draw any lines there because I think there's still room to go up. All right, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay green. Come watch my YouTube stream. I did a stream yesterday. I thought, oh, I'm not streaming, so I ended it, and then I went on Kick too, because I do re-stream, right? So I don't pay for it, so it's only 2 streams simultaneously. But yeah, that was funny, right? But then I streamed for an hour there, but there was nobody. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay green, stay healthy. Peace out.